Hi, good afternoon. Can you please introduce yourself?
Ma'am, my name is Maria Roslyn Salva. I am 42 years old with two children. I have one boy and one girl.
How old they are?
The boy is 21 years old and the girl is 20 years old.
How many brother and sister do you have?
I have four boys and three girls.
Okay. Can you tell me about your working experience before?
I worked before in year 2014 and 2018 in Kuwait. I served one couple with 3-year-old, and I do household chores like cleaning, washing clothes, and ironing, and take care of the kid.
Do you have any more experience?
Yes, and the Philippines in year 2021 and 2025, I served one couple and a 2-year-old kid, and I do household chores like cooking, washing clothes, ironing, and marketing, and take care of the kids.
Why do you want to come to Hong Kong?
I want to come to Hong Kong because I want to spend money for my family and my children with my husband.
Okay. Are you scared dogs and cats?
And no, because I have dog and cat in my home.
Any food doesn't it? Are you allergic to any food?
No,
What food can you cook?
I cook native food like Filipino food, but I have want to learn food to Chinese food.
Okay. Can you accept no day off to be paid employer?
Yes,
Can you accept take your older person and assist them all their needs?
yes,
Are you willing to clean the car without extra pay?
yes,
Can you promise to cut your shirt before you come to Hong Kong?
yes.
Do you have tattoo on your body?
No,
Can you promise not hair coloring and nail art?
yes.
Okay, lastly, what is your message to future employer to hire you?
Hi to my future employer. Please hire me as your helper. I am an honest, cheerful, and helpful person, and I do work with a provision, and I have promised to finish my contract, and I I will treat I will treat my employer as my own family, and I for your positive feedback. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.